So now we have from eCairn, it's a social selling software, and we have the company's founder and CEO, Dominic.
Good evening. So I'm going to do the 3-minute pitch. So I'm Dominic. I'm a founder of eCairn, and we do a social selling software for financial advisor. So we work primarily with private banks and financial advisor. So the people that we work with, they try to build up their business with what we call new affluent. So there is a gap in this business because you've got old financial advisor who are used to use traditional sales method. And on the other hand, you've got lots of entrepreneur, LPs, VC partners, socials, celebrities, and so on and so forth. And these people don't respond well to the traditional sales approach, and they are constantly in social. So the service that we provide to the financial advisor are 3 components. So the first component is that we help them identify the prospect. And with LinkedIn and Twitter, you have access to a huge database of people, but it's still very difficult to find a bunch of prospects, especially in finance. So, and we go for, very, very narrow niches. So, for example, we will go for identifying entrepreneurs in a building. So, if you're a bank or a financial advisor and you have an office in a building, so you may want to sell to these hundreds and few hundreds of key entrepreneurs in the building, or in a zip code, but with a behavioral profile, such as, human business owner in South Bay who are interested in crowdfunding. So, when you start to go after this kind of market, then you need some analytics in order to, get these people. So that's the first component. So the second component is that, since the financial advisor are, not as social savvy as our presenter, so we do things for them. So we actually use algorithm and people that read what the affluent people are writing on an everyday basis, and they spot the opportunity to connect. And the opportunity to connect may be business, but most of the time it's more emotional tweets or tweets about events. So they can say, this CEO says he's going to go to an event. You should reach out and see whether you can go or whether you can have his slide set. And the third value that we provide is metrics. So whereas on LinkedIn, you've got a good set of metrics along with the social selling index, you don't have this on Twitter because it's very broad. So what we do for the advisor is that we measure and we give them a score on how well they connect with their a few hundred of target. And the net is that, working with us, usually we provide the advisor with a few hundred prospects that they engage with, and average, we enable them to have 2 meetings per month. So it's not a lot, but when you put in factor that the customer lifetime value of a client is over 50K, so that's a very good return of investment.